Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix the Trust Wallet network fee problem. Let's begin. First, open the Play Store or App Store on your device and make sure the Trust Wallet app is updated to the latest version. If it is not, update it. Once done, open the app. In many cases, the issue will already be resolved. If the problem still exists, tap on the settings icon. Then, tap on your wallet. Now change the name of your wallet. Renaming the wallet can sometimes resolve minor issues. If it still does not work, return to the main screen and tap on the Add Wallet icon at the bottom. Tap on Create a new wallet and follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Creating a new wallet can often solve the problem. If you are still experiencing the issue, you can try clearing cache and clearing data to remove any extra files or bugs that might be causing trouble during transactions. This step applies only to Android users. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.